Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside Air Stumbler model PDT 40F4. Max working pressure is 8 bar, nail length we've got 15 to 50 millimeters, stumble length is 10 to 40 millimeters, stumble wide is 5.7 millimeters, accessories of course included inside, 3 years warranty, included 2000 stumbles and nails, that's nice. Contact security trigger with adjustable depth control. Nice, you can see how it looks. And from the other side, compact shape with a slim aperture for optimal positioning. Contact security trigger with an adjustable depth control. Lightweight metal exterior with a rubberized grip and adjustable X-housed. 100-piece magazine capacity with a filling level indicator. Some pictures in here, and let's open it to see what we've got inside. Nice durable case to carry on with you your precious tools. And there we are, and we've got the protection glass. Of course, we've got the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice. But stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this tool. The accessories, nails, protective glass, very nice. Oil for lubrication. Now to the tool, we've got the X-housed air outlet, can be rotated 360. We've got the trigger, handle, very soft handle, grip is very soft. Connection for the air, 6.35 millimeters. We've got a filling level display, you can see how much we've got inside. Magazine level. Just push this button and it will go out and you can refill. We've got the rotated Knorlit screw, here it is, to make the fastener go deeper into the workpiece. Very convenient. We've got the trigger safety cats. If you're not going to push that, it cannot work the trigger. It will not release the nail. Here we've got the face plate. Here we've got the quick clamp lever. Just pull it and release. You can open that and remove the jam-it fastener. And we've got the nail and the stumbles. We've got a variety of them, you can see. And same with the nails. Many accessories to fill, just pull that, take whatever length you want, let's say that, fill it here and it will lock. This is for the stumblers and for the nails. You need to insert here and again push and it will lock and you can walk. Very lightweight, fits very well to my one hand and I can walk freely with one hand. Well guys, that was all about this air stumbler. Unfortunately, I don't have a 50-liter air compressor. You need a huge 50-liter air compressor. You can buy it separately on Lidl. It costs about 135 euros and I'm sure it will do the job. In the future I will have the opportunity to test it. Well guys, that was the unboxing and reviewing of this tool. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know whom you need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.